Hello everyone, welcome again. I am back with my new video. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to make a conversation with my friend Yoganand. So guys, please watch the video till in and improve your conversation English. And if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. So guys, without wasting time, let's begin. Hello Yoganand,
Hello, hello.
how are you?
I am good. What about you?
I am also good. I'm fine. Thanks for asking me. And
Thank you.
yeah. What do you do, Yoganand, right now?
I am a student. I am pursuing graduation.
Okay, you are a student. Okay. In which class are you studying?
I am doing graduation.
Okay, graduation. Okay. And which
Mm.
stream did you opt in your graduation?
BA,
BA,
Bachelor of Arts.
Bachelor of Arts. Okay, that's great. Okay.
Yes.
Mm, may I know what the reason for your opt BA stream in your graduation? Please tell me.
My
I-
yes, there is a big.
One minute. Sorry to interrupt you. This is my first question. And what's your subject? Subject.
Subject is English.
English. Okay. Yeah. Tell me, why did you opt English subject in your graduation, and why did you opt BA stream in your graduation? Please tell me something about this.
First of all, I want to say that English is very necessary for our career and future. So
Yeah.
I like this subject. I like English subject. Uh, there is a big reason that when we buy chocolate up 2 rupees, what we find that everything is written on the pocket in English. So
Yeah.
to learn English is very important this day. So that's why I have opted English.
Okay. That's great. Okay, Johan. And how long have you been learning English? Yeah. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Um.
Yes, tell me.
Yes. How long have you been learning English?
What?
How long have you been learning English?
uh about 6 months.
Yeah. Okay. About 6 months. Okay. Um,
Yes,
can I ask you a question?
yes, you can ask.
Yeah. Okay, bro. What do you do for your learning English?
I communicate to each other for learning English,
Okay.
and I read notebook, I read newspaper, and I read English book,
Okay.
and it helps me to learn English.
Okay. Okay, brother. And how much time uh, do you spend on your English learning? Yeah, your speaking skills. How much time do you spend?
I spent about 1 or 2 hours per day,
Okay,
so
that's
it is
great.
enough to learn English.
Okay. And mm, and how many steps do you adopt in your learning English?
Yes, there is a good question. First of all, uh, we read the book.
Okay,
Then
this is your step. Okay.
that's the first step. Then we need to write what you have studied in your notebooks, and what you
Means
have read in news.
writing practice. Yeah.
Second, then
Second.
we need
Yeah.
third is we need to communicate to each other.
Yeah. Communicate to each other.
Communicate to each other or one another.
Yeah.
This is the biggest step. So
Yeah,
you can learn,
yeah,
you can do better in your future if you
yeah,
follow these steps.
yeah. Means three steps do you adapt?
uh, there may be more step, but three steps are more important to learn English. And I am new here, and I am not fluent speaker. I am learning day by day.
Okay. Mm, means reading, writing, and speaking. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. And do you watch any English videos on YouTube or other platform?
sometimes,
Sometime, sometime.
sometimes we use.
Yeah. Uh, uh, uh,
And brother, I want to ask some question. If you don't mind, what do you do?
surely, surely, definitely. You can ask me.
You have launched in YouTube channel.
Yeah, yeah. I have a YouTube channel.
How many subscribers do you have?
Yeah, yeah. Currently, currently, right now, I have 373 subscriber on my YouTube channel.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
मतलब you are new user.
yeah, yeah. I'm new user. Okay. I opened YouTube channel 2020, um, but continuously I am working for 3 months.
Oh,
Okay.
good.
Yeah,
I hope you will do better in your future.
yeah. Thank you.
May God, may God bless you, brother.
Yeah, thank you, brother. And I'm asking to you a question.
Mm, mm.
Uh, Whether in your
There is cloudy weather in my area.
cloudy, yeah.
Yes,
What do you want to become in your future?
I want to become a teacher, and
Okay,
my second goal is I want to work in private companies, and I am working for this per day. I am preparing for this. This is my plan.
okay. And Yoganand, I'm
Yes, but
asking, what suggestion would you like to give new learner student for English speaking?
oh, first, as I have said right now that uh, first we use book. First we need to read it, and when we read it, to what problem we faced that vocab problem. So we need to use Google
Yeah.
or dictionary to,
Okay,
and first step we need to matlab, first step is we need to read book, and the second step we need to write what you are thinking what you are thinking in your day, and
okay,
second and third step is that uh, we need to communicate to one another. If you follow these three steps, you can do better in English, I think.
okay, Yoganand. It is time to going somewhere. Okay. Someone
Yes,
is calling me. Okay. Um, that's all for today. I will meet you
yes.
next. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank, thank you. You're giving precious time. Okay.
thank you. You're welcome, brother.
Thank you. Take care. Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Same to you. Take care.